effort, effort, effort.
It's the act of doing something that requires some physical or mental energy to accomplish. Here is a sample sentence. The team's hard effort paid off when they finally won the championship game. This sentence demonstrates the word effort in context, showing how it can be used to describe a sustained and intentional attempt or action.
Eject, eject, eject.
To remove something from a place or position, often suddenly or forcefully. Here is a sample sentence. The pilot had to eject from the plane after it experienced engine failure at 10,000 feet.
Elaborate, elaborate, elaborate.
This word means to give more details or information about something, making it clearer and more complete. Here is a sample sentence. The architect spent hours elaborating on the design, adding intricate details and flourishes to create a truly unique and impressive building. In this example, elaborate means to explain or describe something in a detailed and thorough manner.
Elaboration, elaboration, elaboration.
It's when you add more details or information to something that was already said or explained, making it clearer or more complete. Here is a sample sentence. The professor provided extensive elaboration on the historical context of the event, which helped to clarify the significance of the dates mentioned in the textbook. In this example, elaboration refers to the detailed and explanatory information that the professor added to help understand the topic.
Elapse, elapse, elapse.
This word means to pass or go by, often slowly, over a period of time. Here's a sample sentence. The 5-minute warning period would elapse before the concert started, and then the lights would go down. In this example, elapse means to pass or run out, indicating that the time period, 5 minutes, will come to an end.
Elastic, elastic, elastic.
This word describes something that can stretch and then go back to its original shape when you let go. Here is a sample sentence. The rubber band in my desk drawer was elastic, able to stretch and then snap back into its original shape.
Elasticity, elasticity, elasticity.
It's the ability to stretch or bend without breaking, but then return to its original shape when the force is removed. Here is a sample sentence. The rubber band's elasticity allowed it to stretch and then snap back into shape, making it useful for holding together small packages.
Elbow, elbow, elbow.
It's a joint that connects two bones in the arm, allowing you to bend or straighten your arm. Here is a sample sentence. She rubbed her sore elbow after falling on the ice.
Election, election, election.
It's when people choose who will make decisions for them or represent their group. Here's a sample sentence. The highly contested presidential election was held on November 3rd, with voters from all over the country casting their ballots to choose the next leader.
Electrical, electrical, electrical.
It refers to things that work with energy, often invisible, that powers devices and makes them function. Here is a sample sentence. The electrical engineer was responsible for designing and installing the new wiring system in the office building.
Electrician, electrician, electrician.
Someone who fixes and installs things that run on electricity, like lights and appliances. Here is a sample sentence. The electrician was called to fix the faulty wiring in my kitchen.
Electron, electron, electron.
It's a tiny, invisible particle that makes up everything around us, including ourselves. It's too small to see with our eyes, but it plays a big role in how things work. Maybe what? Here's a sample sentence. The electron emitted from the radioactive material was detected by the Geiger counter.
Electronic, electronic, electronic.
This refers to things that work with electricity, like computers or TVs. Here is a sample sentence. The new smartphone had an electronic display that was incredibly clear and vibrant.
Electronics. Electronics. Electronics.
It refers to things that work with electricity, like tiny parts or devices that help us communicate, play music, or see pictures on screens. Here's a sample sentence. The new smartphone was filled with advanced electronics that allowed it to perform complex tasks and connect to the internet seamlessly.
Elegance. Elegance. Elegance.
It's a quality that makes something or someone look and feel refined, sophisticated, and pleasing to the eye and mind. Here's a sample sentence. The ballerina's movements were characterized by an effortless elegance that seemed to defy gravity itself. This sentence aims to convey the idea that elegance refers to a refined and sophisticated quality, often associated with beauty, poise, and a sense of refinement.
Elegant. Elegant. Elegant.
This word describes something that is refined, sophisticated, and pleasing to look at or experience. It's often associated with beauty, quality, and a sense of high class. Here is a sample sentence. The ballerina's movements were elegant and fluid, as if she had danced across the stage countless times before. This sentence showcases the word elegant in context, highlighting its meaning of being refined, sophisticated, and aesthetically pleasing.
Element. Element. Element.
It's something that can be broken down into smaller parts and is considered basic or fundamental. Here is a sample sentence. The periodic table lists all the known elements, including hydrogen and oxygen.
Elementary. Elementary. Elementary.
This word refers to something that is basic or straightforward, requiring no special knowledge or thought to understand. It's simple and easy to get. Here is a sample sentence. The detective explained the case to me in an elementary way, using simple terms that even I could understand. In this example, elementary means easy to understand or basic. It's often used to describe something that is straightforward and uncomplicated.
Elevate. Elevate. Elevate.
This means to make something or someone better, stronger, or more important by raising them up from a lower level to a higher one. Here is a sample sentence. The new management team's innovative strategies help to elevate the company's reputation and profits. In this example, elevate means to raise or improve something, in this case, the company's reputation and profits, to a higher level of quality or success.
Elevation. Elevation. Elevation.
It's how high something is above the ground or water level. Here is a sample sentence. The new skyscraper's elevation was over 500 feet, making it the tallest building in the city.